Hello, AlbaBG here again. Today we are going to learn a second trick on how to develop concept art using the 3D models within Clip Studio Paint. This time we are going to make more complex things, and for that we are going to learn how to merge two 3D forms into one to create new creative things. So let's go for it. Okay, so let's start. We just create a new canvas, whatever size you want. And the first step will be going again to the 3D materials side of the software. Let's just play and select a random form, for example this cylinder that, as you are seeing, is creating itself right now a new layer. Next we can add, for example, a sphere too, and voila! We have now two forms merged together within the same space. So we can combine them as we want, creating new unique compositions. Now we can also select and move the forms separately, or we can move the camera in front to have different views of the merged form we just created. Now we have the merged form we want ready, we can use the camera to set different views and sizes. Okay, these kind of experiments are very cool because you can allow yourself to play and discover things you never thought of. For example, I was just testing for this tutorial without a clear idea in my mind about what I was going to draw. But I end up finding this strange futuristic helmet as you are seeing. So I just popped inside a character and look at the result! Maybe I would have never done this without playing with the 3D materials of Clip Studio Paint. So my advice could be, don't use this tool only for drawing your concepts in different perspectives, but also to get inspired and discover new ideas. Okay, now instead of props or characters, let's try something more complex, like for example a background. Yes, you heard well, a background. So let's use the same tricks here. By the way, here we are using very basic geometrical forms, but remember that you can use things more complex or whatever 3D model you want. Again, with spheres, cylinders and cubes, we can start creating a very simple environment using the same trick that I just explained a few minutes ago. For this kind of environment experiment is very useful the mesh we have within the software that we can use as background, so we have always a floor reference. Once we have, in this case, the buildings I designed, we can load the opacity and start drawing on a top layer. Again, we can use the camera to draw the environment from different perspectives, distance. As you are seeing, this is a very useful trick to make backgrounds for a comic or animation. But remember always to be creative and enjoy the process. Okay, this is it. I really hope you have learned today something new, and I want to encourage you to be creative and to play with the software to create new and amazing things. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye bye.